Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports. Today we have a 2019 Audi Q5 2.0T Premium Plus Quattro. This is a really nice green exterior. And then a slate gray leather interior. See the Quattro, Audi, and Q5 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. See rear seats here. Also a big, beautiful sunroof. Door controls, memory seats, seat controls, driver seats, steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop in. So we have 19,886 for miles on this vehicle. And we do have a push button start. And here's our shifter here. Navigation system, radio, and also a backup camera. And if you'd like to see any more pictures or get any more information about this vehicle or any others, see our website at feldmannimports.com.